Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about BAT token, Basic Attention Token, also known as just BAT. So BAT is currently on a nice move, up 27% in the past 24 hours, over almost 1.5 billion market cap now. So moving on up. Number 58 ranked coin on CoinMarketCap. So if you don't know about BAT, BAT also has the Brave browser right up here, which I'm using. I love the Brave browser. There's no ads or anything, and I'm not being paid to say that. I've used Brave browser for years since it came out. It's the fastest browser, hands down. So try it out. Jumping over to the daily chart on BAT, you could see our nice power move yesterday on March 16th, up 35% just that day. Now it went up much higher, up to what our local top now is 118, 119. We end up closing right just above $1, and I wonder why it closed right there, or why we're getting some consolidation now. Any guesses? I'm glad you asked. Let's go ahead and look. So look back at this formation, and if we look at this, maybe we could predict what happened and why. Let's check it out. So we'll draw our top line here, and if you know what I'm doing, just stay patient. Patience is a virtue. It all makes very much sense in very much short time. Very patient, much click. Many zoom, many scroll. So you might be wondering what the hell I'm doing. We're drawing our flag here, and before you question, just watch. Okay. So if you scroll out, obviously it looks more like a bull flag, right? But we're zoomed in just to help you out. So you draw your line where you started your move back here. You draw your price action going down. You draw on the bottoms because we get flat bottoms. That's a nice indication it could be a bull flag, right? So then you breakout move right here. This is your breakout of the flag. Do you see that? Broke out and didn't come back down. That's confirmed that this is a bull flag. Then you take from the top of your flagpole right there to the very bottom, so it lines up. See that right there? So let me put that back so you can see. See how these are even? Right? Okay. With me so far. Here we go. Take this, wherever you break out at. Do you see the top? So there's not a real wonder why we closed right here and why we're getting some consolidation right now. After a breakout of your bull flag, you're usually going to go to the top of your flagpole like this again to predict where your next local top is. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to do another one of these or come back down another 30% or anything like that. That just means that's a good projection. When you're down here and you're starting to move up, you should probably ask yourself, when should I maybe take some profit again? This is how you tell. So that's why the price came back down. Smart money knows what to look for. So now you know. And knowing is half the battle. Now, let's see what else we got for BAT token. It's currently, you can see these moving averages moving back up. So this doesn't mean this is going to come all the way back down to this moving average or anything like that. In fact, if it could just stay at this level or just slowly move up, this is really going to start moving up here soon. So on the short time frame, we don't know. Long time frame, I'm just telling you how to make some profits for the next move. So if we do come back down and form something like this, maybe we'll make another video and show you where it could be going next. Now let's go out to the weekly, because on this channel we like bigger time frames. So if you like that, subscribe to our channel, like the video, follow us on Patreon, where we do a little bit more of a teaching. We give you a private Telegram. We do daily chart updates. We do weekly private videos. So try us out over there. Look on the weekly for BAT. Nice move, right? Now let's zoom back out and see if we can spot anything. So this is BAT for the entirety listed on as listed on Coinbase. Now look at this dotted line. Do you see this? Let me draw it better for you, because I know it can be hard to see. Look here. This is important. You can look at this on a lot of coins. You can do this yourself, practice. Practice, perfect practice makes perfect. You know how you always heard practice makes perfect? Horseshit. Perfect practice makes perfect. You could practice the wrong thing for 3,000 hours. You're not going to be perfect. You're going to be perfect. You're doing the wrong thing. Perfect practice makes perfect. I'm trying to teach you how to look at charts perfect. You draw it from your tops. Look at the top right here. We hit it again right here. So once we break out of that, you're going to get some nice price action. Now, what to look for if you come back down like we did, and then you start moving back up again, you know it's going to trampoline skyrocket out of here. So we almost went 3x out of here, right? 43 cents to almost $1.20. Maths. Next time you see a coin break its all-time high after testing it a few times in history, comes back, retests it, and starts moving back up again, probably a good time to get in. So that's about on the weekly. Now let's go look on the monthly, the big time frame. Now we're talking big time. So that's that same line, right? So that's a little bit harder to see. So sometimes you just got to move the focus around on different time frame of charts before you can get clarity on what you're looking at. So even here though, if you move it down to the monthly, you can at least kind of get a bigger, this is just macro trend, but look at that. You can even remove this. Let's remove this. Look at this just on the macro trend. It should be pretty easy to tell when you start breaking all-time highs. You're going to be in price discovery mode, and the sky's the limit, so to speak. So right here, as soon as we broke that 51, 52 cents area and started moving back up, you're usually going to have a much higher move. Anytime you can break previous all-time highs from literally years back, you're going to have a nice price action to the upside, at least for the short term. So I'll leave you with that. Thanks so much for watching this long if you did. I appreciate you. Check us out, Twitter, Telegram, Patreon. I'll see you on the next one.